15 minutes, or you want to see what I can offer to you in terms of guidance and therapy, stuff like that. Cheeto says, I just found out my friend was hospitalized for mental health and is receiving inpatient care. How to best support her in this situation? I'd say if you can be in conversation with her and listen. Can you hold space for her so she can untangle her mind in front of you? That's what I do for people, so that's what you can do for her. If you can just hold space and just listen, just be a listening ear, just be a space holder, be a container for her. If you can, on the phone, or go to her in patient care and just listen to her. I think it will be very beneficial if she can speak things out loud, so she can hear herself and to make clarity, and just so she sees and feels supported, seen, heard, understood. That's the best way to support people. That's what I do. That's what I would do with clients. And also, do you know, like, mental health? Yeah, I think that's best. We don't have to go into details what happened to her. I think that is best. You can get her some watermelon, you can get her some nice fruits to hydrate the mind, to get some good water, some structured water like watermelon. Get her some coconuts, get her some fruits, good fruits. Take it to her, get her some flowers. If she's in patient care, get something to her from the outside world that's natural. Get her some flowers, get her some fruits, get her something that's totally different from the square box of the hospital, so she feels like there's a little bit of nature next to her. So something like that. I don't know if it was appropriate to ask via text what happened. Waiting to talk to her. Yeah, just stand by. Be there. Be there for her.